The next thing I want you to research about, it's very, very, very important. So please make a note of it. I want you to find and research on demand, supply and profitable pockets of your business. अब मैं इनको डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करता हूं कि मैं क्या कहना चाहता हूं. जैसे हो सकता है कि आप 100 प्रोडक्ट्स सेल करते हो, तो एक प्रोडक्ट है जहां पे 10 सेलर हैं, 100 बायर हैं, वर्सेस एक और प्रोडक्ट है जहां पे सिर्फ 2 सेलर है और 100 बायर हैं. तो you will have more sales, more profit in product B. So you should never lose your grip on product B, and you should keep on finding such products where supply is less and demand is more, right? These are your profitable pockets, okay? और हो सकता है कि आपके पास कोई ऐसा प्रोडक्ट हो जो जिसकी आपके पास गारंटी हो कि आपके जैसा ये प्रोडक्ट कोई और नहीं दे सकता, right? You have a monopoly on that product, so you should never lose a grip on that product. You should always focus on that product and try to grow such products. So as a salesperson, if you figure out these profitable pockets, I'm sure you will be able to increase your sales. You will be able to meet your targets or even surpass your targets. So go and find out and thank me later. The other thing I want you to research about is finding the best buyers and also find the right audience for your product. Finding the best buyers means you should try to focus and find out buyers which can give you constant business and recurring business. So you should find out, it can definitely help you achieve your long-term goals. And finding the right audience. Now, let's assume that you are selling a luxury brand car like Mercedes. So you cannot go to everyone, hey bhai Mercedes le lena. You cannot just go like that, right? You should have a proper knowledge of the buyer's financial background. And you should also understand his preferences, right? And you should have the buyer's persona, okay? And things which you will consider in buyer's persona will vary based upon the product and services which you are offering. But some of the common things which you should consider are: how is his lifestyle? What work he is responsible for? What skills he has? What size of the company he is working in? Age, financial background, where he will be looking for the product and product advice. So these are the things which will help you define the buyer's persona, and you can start studying more information about the buyers you already have on board and the prospects you have. So you can find out what kind of people have interest in your product or services and what kind of people have already bought your product or services. And before I end this video, I would like to say one thing. Before you even go for a sales call or meeting, you should definitely study more information about the person you're going to talk to, like what personal interest he has and what kind of hobbies he has, so you can easily make a connection with that person. So guys, if you follow all the things which I've told in video today, I'm sure the chances of you making a sale will increase and your conversion ratio will increase. And if you like the video, share it with your friends. If you are already implementing any of the things which I've told, let me know how it is working out. Let me know any of your questions and comments. Thank you.